Morning, you guys. It's Saturday, and as I promised, I told you I would come back and just pop in and let you know what I was working on this week. Well, this week is all about these really fun glass charms. Check these out. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with these charms. I went to a class by Lynn Suprock, Suprock, in Mineral Point, Wisconsin, and it was all about making these glass charms. Now that was the end of August, and I know it is almost the end of September, but it's taken me a while to get the hang of how to make these. You use a soldering tool, and you use flux, and you use solder, of course, and you make these really great charms. So I made a big one here for a necklace. As you can see, it has some tea-dyed drywall tape behind some dried flowers, and on the other side it has a large dandelion seed on the back. It is super neat, and there are several people that do it online. I'll link a few videos to how to do it, and if you're interested, I can do just a basic video on it. You just need to leave a comment below and let me know if you're interested in that. Here is just a quick little look at the charms that I made. Dragonfly, of course. Just dictionary paper on the back, Scrabble tile, pressed flower again with the word focus on there. This one is super cute, the word hooray. Just a little bit of my artwork on the back, dragonfly hanging off of there. Artwork again with pressed flower, dandelions, small dandelion seeds. This is a monarch butterfly wing with a cute little picture of my brother who's no longer with us. I have a little hot air balloon that was from a bracelet my mom wore. And we went up in a hot air balloon, so I put that on my charm bracelet. Here's some witches. Again, some of my artwork on this side. A ticket, admit one. We've got a bee on a flower. Can you see that one? It's hard to focus. And I just found word of garden. More pressed flowers. An old earring, of course, dragonfly. I've got some pressed leaves in here with the word simple, and it's got some fabric in the back. Another word. This one has a feather there. It's a little hard for you to see, but a feather in there. Just all kinds of great charms. Here's another earring. I'm not into wearing earrings much, so I'm going to make a bunch of these bracelets, possibly put them on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, definitely I will be making these larger charms for necklaces. So make sure you stay tuned to that. They are super fun. Really, really enjoy making them. They will be popping up in my Etsy shop. I have a bunch more that I haven't strung. Show different ideas, and hopefully you get inspired by this video and maybe check out how to make your own soldered pendants and bracelet charms. Here's a really cool feather. And of course another dragonfly. You know me and my dragonflies. Pressed flowers. There will be lots of pressed flowers. Butterfly with some cheesecloth. This one I was trying these little dot embellishments there. And there's lots of practice to be had. I'm going to make a cute little bracelet with birds on it for my girlfriend for her birthday. On the back it has some eggs. I think it's turning out cool. There's a butterfly on that one. More pressed flowers in there. Dictionary pages. Of course, I've got some mushrooms, just some pattern paper on the back. So lots of great ideas. Just wanted to pop in and show you what I'm working on. This is super fun. And again, give me a week and I'll get these up on my Etsy shop. What am I putting on my Etsy shop from last week? I will make sure that I get these in there if you're interested. Leave a comment below. Just wanted to pop in because I said that I was going to try and do a short little video for you on Saturdays. I appreciate your interest and make sure you keep creating. Have a great week. We'll see you next Saturday for another little video on what I am keeping busy with. Thanks. Bye.